Many of you have asked me कि मैम मुझे ना ट्रैवल करना बहुत पसंद है. Should I take MDPS?
Hey guys, this is Dr. Saili and I'm going to tell you a few things which I was illiterate about, but 1 year down in residency and I kind of know few things. Or ye sari insider things I feel like you must also know, because when I was on that side, I didn't know all these things. The first thing, I didn't know that I need to bring a laptop with me. A laptop, you need to know how to work on it. It's not just limited to making PPTs which we used to do in UG, okay? UG में ढेर सारे PPTs बनाते थे, तो PowerPoint पता है हमें, but हमें Word कैसे चलाना है वो भी आना चाहिए, and हमें Excel कैसे चलाना है वो भी आना है, because Excel is the basic of PSM. There are a lot of statistical things that we need to know. We need to perform, we need to collect data, we have to, apply test, we have to put regression to it, and ये सारी चीजें कैसे होती है. तो ये सारी चीजें जानने के लिए you need to have a laptop of your own. ठीक है, लैपटॉप लेके आना मत भूलना. What happens is that rotation में आपका posting लगता है, right? So you're not going to be posted in same department for like a year. You're going to be posted in different departments, in different OPDs. सारे OPDs hospital में नहीं होते, okay? So कुछ OPDs hospital में होते हैं, कुछ OPDs UHTC जो urban health area वहाँ होता है, कुछ rural में होता है RHTC में. So यहाँ का staff अलग है, interns अलग है, patient अलग है. But you need to know how to talk to your staff, okay? You need to know how to be friends with your co-MO, and that is how everything is going to work for you. If not, then things are going to be difficult as well, okay? So communication skills are so very much important. Third thing is going to be you need to know how to be humble, okay? Because at times you're going to need your MO, but at times you're also going to need your Ashatai. You know what, to be very honest, I'm going to tell you that Ashatai has to be your best friend, because if not for her, you wouldn't get your sample size. Because when you go in area जो भी है आपको samples लेने हैं, the people who are going to be your sample, they don't know you, they don't know who you are. It is like they don't even care if you wear stetho, if you wear apron, unless and until they know someone who belongs to them, who they know regularly, and that is when they are going to tell you about their personal information. Okay, so the next thing is many of you have asked me कि मैम मुझे ना travel करना बहुत पसंद है. Should I take MDPSM for that? Listen to me, ट्रैवल करना पसंद है, ओके, बट इसमें ना जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा टाइप से नहीं हो रहा है ट्रैवल, इसमें पंचायत टाइप से हो रहा है ट्रैवल, ठीक है? तो अगर वैसे ट्रैवल करना तो यू कैन कम, आई मीन यू आर वेलकम. आई टेल यू व्हाट, आई यूज टू गो, मेरा आनंद वन में पोस्टिंग लगता था, फ्रॉम चंद्रपुर टू आनंद वन आई यूज टू गो, एंड वो काफ़ी फार है, तो कैन नॉट टेक योर ओन व्हीकल, ओके? वेल, तब तो मेरे पास खुद का व्हीकल था भी नहीं. ऑल आई कुड रिलाई ऑन वॉज दिस गवर्नमेंट बसेस एंड ऑल. तो मैं 2 ऑटो चेंज करके एक गवर्नमेंट बस लेके वहां जाती थी. कभी कभी बस 2-2 घंटे लेट होती थी. सो यू नीड टू नो दैट ये सारी चीजें हो सकती है. यू हैव टू बी कंफर्टेबल विद इट, हैव टू एक्सेप्ट इट, यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट दैट दिस इज द सिचुएशन, दिस इज द लाइफ दैट यू आर गोइंग टू लिव फॉर 3 years. एंड एट टाइम्स इट हैपेंस कि भाई हाँ, मेरे पास व्हीकल होगा तो आई ट्रैवल दिस फार. भाई, इट्स नॉट इवन बजट फ्रेंडली, ओके? Like very logical, and you also have to make sure that you have this panchayat wala image in your head. Not zindagi na milegi dobara. So do not think of it as if you're going to get some nice luxurious and very cool kind of travel. And the next one is going to be that you need to know how to multitask, okay? I'll tell you what, there are 3 things which are going to run parallelly, और आपको तीनों चीजों पे continuously और equal amount of ध्यान देना है, attention देना है. The first thing is going to be your daily PG activities. The second thing is your duties, and the third thing is your synopsis. And उसके बाद synopsis जैसे ही approve होता है, synopsis के बाद synopsis का 2.0 होता है, thesis चालू होता है, and thesis पे आपको वर्क करना है till your 3rd year है. So these are 3 things, okay, which run parallelly, and you have to make sure कि आपका तीनों चीजों पे ध्यान है. Next video I'm going to make a Q&A. If you have any questions related to residency or MDPSM, do not forget to put them in comment box, or you can DM me. Also, do not forget to be